27th of April, early morning in base camp. 70 some odd people are trapped up above the ice fall.
Let's stack pads, stack sleeping bags, so we know what we got.
We've got 3 helicopters flying loops between base camp and Camp 1. As you can see behind me, there's clouds coming in, bad weather's on its way, high winds are coming in from the Tibetan Plateau, and so they've only got a certain amount of time to extract these 70 people. The difficulty is that once they land here, many of these people have no camps, no tents, no nothing left. Everything's strewn all over the glacier. So the only thing they've got is what's in their packs.